Welcome to the Team Corrali one-page manual video series. For best results, download the PDF file from the link below before watching.
Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to take out the front tower. Of course, before you watch this video, check this one to see all of the basic information about the RC car maintenance. In this video manual I will focus to take as little screws as I can. Of course, if you already disassembled the shocks or other parts of the car, it will be a little bit simpler. So with step number 1, let's take out the upper side of the shocks. Of course, I will also take the shock standoff, but of course you don't have to do it if you don't want to. In step number 2, we will take the pins from the upper suspension arms. Remember about the clips, don't lose them, and of course about the set screws here, you need to lose them before you take the pin away. So in the last step, last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, and your tower is ready to go out. So now you have your tower in the hand, and that was basically it. As you can see, it was very simple. But remember, here in the gearbox, the screws that are mounting the tower are also having the lock nut at the end, as here. You can take them out, of course, but normally when you're doing classic maintenance, you just don't have to. If you do not replace the gearbox, then just leave them inside. And of course, to put it back together, you simply need to reverse the steps. So that will be it. As you can see, replacing the front tower is very simple. There's one thing I want to highlight and I want you to remember. Please tighten up those nuts very well for the shock standoffs, because if they are loose, they are more likely to break. So that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. And of course, if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and follow Team Corrali on Facebook and Instagram. And if you need any help, please contact us via support@corrali.com. And if you want to check this car and any other car in our lineup, please visit our showroom world.corrali.com. See you in the next one. Goodbye.
Team Corrali, engineered to be the fastest.